Christians jubilate as Tinubu cancel Islamization agenda, secretly signed by his Vise, Shettima. This is very serious. Very, very serious. So, the so-called Shettima is even planning Islamization of Nigeria. No wonder they said it. That this guy is an Islamic fanatic. He is a Boko leader, and also he wants to Islamize the nation. Imagine, how did Tinubu got to know this? Let's check the content. This is today's news. The Arewa Christians and Indigenous Pastor Association (ACIPA) has called on President Bola Tinubu on the plan to Islamize Nigeria. They said that his vice Shettima has taken a swift move secretly to liaise and concentrate on the Islamization of Nigeria. They said that it will not go down well if Nigerian is Islamized. Nigeria is a country with very much culture and religion. It is very rich in decision making and in cultural making. We must not overlook or underestimate our religion or culture. This is something we respect and appreciate. Wiping off Christianity just because of Islamization will set the country backward. Everyone cannot be a Muslim. This is a thing of choice. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who was informed of all this, has also sent a reply notice to all Christians, revealing his next line of action. All right, Nigerians, this brings us to the end of today's broadcast, of our morning broadcast to say. We will be coming back to you in the evening. Meanwhile, just try to stay tuned and get yourself informed with this very information. It's a pleasure reaching out to you this morning. Thank you for giving me a listening ear. This is the Lord TV.